And I'm going to show you how to make the French knots on the inside of your flower. These are also the same as on the end of these little branches here. So it'll just be the one tutorial for the inside of the flower. So take your piece, and I suggest practicing on a separate piece of fabric somewhere because these get a little bit tricky sometimes. And you're going to need 3 strands of embroidery floss for this. Again, just tie a knot at the end and then come in from the back. And I'm just going to make one right in the middle of the flower so that I can show you how to do it. Come in from the back, and then you're going to take your left hand or your non-dominant hand and pull the thread a little bit away from your work. And then you want to take the needle pointed away from your work, and you're going to wrap the floss around once and twice, and then you're going to turn your needle and go back down near the same hole or in the same hole that you came out of. And then you want to take your left hand, still holding this tight, but not too tight, and pull your floss back down through. And then when it gets to that point, you can let go, and then you've got a little French knot. So again, I'm going to show you, come up through the back, take your left hand, hold this string tight, point your needle away from your work, wrap it around once, twice, and then go back down, all the while holding this on the left, and pull your needle through the back. And then you can let go at that point. So you're just going to keep doing that over and over again to fill in this whole area. So once you've gotten all of that filled in, go ahead and turn it over, and you can just thread it through some stitches on the back. Cut off the excess, and you've got a pretty little flower. So that's how you make this flower and this flower right here.